So in this case, I kind of have a similar thing, but now since I have a cube root, I raise everything to the third power. So here, if I've got the cube root of 2x minus 3 and negative 5, so I raise everything to the third power on this side. So on the left, the third power kills off the third root, and so I just have 2x minus 3. On the right-hand side, raising negative 5 to the third power gives me negative 125. So again, in this case, I'm right back to an equation that I can solve. So plus 3 on both sides. My 3's cancel out, so I have a 2x is equal to, so subtract 3 on both sides, I get a negative 122. So if I divide both sides by 2, then I get a solution. X is negative 61. Now, since I'm dealing with an odd index radical, I don't really need to check anything. The solutions that I have are just, they will always work because the index is odd. And so that's kind of maybe an important thing to note, that since the index on the radical is odd, I don't need to check. Okay, so that's kind of a handy thing to remember, just in case you're in a situation where, okay, as long as I've got an odd index on the radical, and remember the odd index on the radical, that's what we're talking about when we're saying the 3. So the 3 is the index on the radical, it's odd, so I don't need to check anything, and x equal to 61. So x equal to 61 is going to, or negative 61 is going to be my solution.